A lot of the sales talk and the spin that's going around solar actually is slightly misleading to the customer. I must say there's call centers, there's door knockers. This industry comes partly out of the insulation industry. When the insulation industry was shut down, people were looking for a rebate and moved over. So we, with the large LG brand, we don't want to have anything to do with people who misrepresent the situation. A $0 bill is not easy to achieve because every quarter you will be charged the supply fee, which in most cases is about $100 for residential people. So in order to get a $0 bill, you would have to offset all your use, and then you would have to export the equivalent of at least that $100. Now, if you're a small household and put a big system on, you could actually theoretically achieve that outcome. But for most people, if they have like a $500-600 bill, they're possibly getting it down to maybe $150 in summer and maybe $250-300 in winter. So you make a very significant difference, but you're not completely going to offset it. $0 is a good marketing spin, but I would expect a significant reduction in the bill, but still to have some cost. Recently, one of my colleagues bought an LG system, had about a $650 bill before it, came to work very proud, was down to about $220. So had a really excellent result.